But, like, we would
This is so normal.
We would actually get, like, good
This is
people.
so normal.
We would actually get good people to, like, take care of them and everything so that they wouldn't die or anything. They would actually be treated, like, really well. But...
So you're going to throw all the mentally challenged people
not mentally challenged.
and the blind and deaf people. You're going to put them in institutes where they learn how to pick up trash.
No.
And you're going to make them clean the earth.
You make it sound mean and cruel.
You're the one who said it.
I didn't say it like that. You have to hear my full story. Don't listen to her. Don't listen to her. She's lying. She's polluting your brain.
Okay.
Don't listen.
Where do trees come from, Tiffany? She says trees come from lightning in the soil particles.
I did not.
Soil particles. Soil particles.
Like what? Why are you? Like what?
Help me.